fire? Take.
So relaxing.
Yes.
A little bit more to the left. Yeah, but the middle's going to be right here. You're going to be standing on the edge when you reach. And all this because of the things you have. That was an 88. Don't worry, I'm professional. We've been being stupid for years. Wait. We only got to touch it down here so we can go up and over. Because it needs to go there. We need to do one more. Let's go. Wait.
Oh, yes. For balloons.
The balloons are right here. And the middle is over here. You'll be on the last one.
What is your thought of this theory?
I think they're fucking crazy. But it's cheap entertainment.
Oh, yes.
I was thinking of using the middle of the springboard. Yeah. I can do it, man. Although, if we get one more level up there, I might just be able to reach them. Like, yeah. I'm pretty sure I can. Yeah. If we get one more level up there. Alright.
I'd just like to let you guys know this is going on MySpace.
Okay.
Video. Totally video that you guys doing this.
Okay. Alright, so this is the yeah.
Alive. Keep the lights on. Please.
Not yet. Whoa.
Oh, it's Xander.
Okay. So, what we'll do
And
is,
then.
we should do, what I was thinking is we should get this up on, turn it this way, get this lift up on that edge. Two people go up there and then do it backwards. Yeah. Alright. Dude, grab it by the benches,
You should leave it like that.
Yeah. Oh, we're not gonna fucking take this down. Yeah, I felt that. Oh, fuck you! Whoa! That was falling. Fuck me! I'll be back. Yeah, I second. Fucking A.